So here's a simple way of joining two coax cables together. First we'll cut off the outer insulation and pull it off, and then pull the braid and the foil back, cut off the foil, and that's the first part done. You then take off the inner insulation and you'll then see the copper core. Do the exact same on the second cable. Measure it up and then twist the inner core together like so. When you've done that, put some tape around the middle so you can isolate it from the braid, from the earthing section. Cut off what you think you need and simply put it around the middle section, as you can see, and then you put the braid, fix that together, make sure it's reasonably secure, and then put tape round to hold it in place. And there you go, all done. And it only took a few minutes. Thank you for watching. Could you please share, like and subscribe?